Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miriam. Guys, this video we are doing a day in my life video, and now I want to go buy some things. I want to go buy ice cream, or I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm sure going out, so I'm taking you guys out with me. I'll see you when I get dressed. I want to go change and look penned. So guys, I'll see you all when I get dressed. Guys, please, if you are watching me and you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you all when I'm dressed up. So guys, I'm just done getting ready. I'm just wearing my orange hair and this dress. I'll show you guys the full outfit when I get there, but I'm leaving the house now. I'll see you all when I get there. Guys, don't forget what I told you guys to. Don't forget, please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe to this channel. Let's get to 500 subscribers. So guys, I'll see you when I get there. See ya, bye.
It's 12. Let's go. I know, send me and you know go break up when we fight. That's why me I say love go take some time now. Send me and you go change every day like my clothes. That's why me I say love go take some time. All I hear get me. I'm a fight I got more. You can get it on, but baby love go take some time. She felt the hour on me. Do you wanna be wifey? You can get it on, but baby love go take some time. Take some time. Take some time. But baby love go take some time.
You know, young rich. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop, drop top, no cooking the hot box. No shit, cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't trust nobody, good at nobody. Call up the king and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a cup. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a ooze. My niggas is savage, we got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a ooze. My niggas is savage, we got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a cool. I take your shit right from you. I'm a dog. Beat up walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that they come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we do the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick and ruler. Courtside with a bad. Then I send it through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uber. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back. Ay. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie and the train. Just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, baby. Raindrop, drop top, ain't no cooking the hot box. You know yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't trust nobody, good at nobody. Call up the king and they come and get. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a ooze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a ooze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Holla.
Your lips are telling me yes, while you're kissing on my neck, making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. Your hot boy style drives me wild, but in the back of my mind, I know. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you pass on me, even though I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you pass on me.
A few moments later.
Conversation like what? Big thoughts got you stuck. Feelings starting to show. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. You're driving me crazy. I wanna be your lady, but I got a man at home. Even though I wanna see how you put that thing on me, I can't let you pass on me. Even though I wanna see how you put that thing on me, I can't let you pass on me. Best of me, best of me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carolina blue kicks, hottest nigga on the block. Used to Willie bicycle since I was 6. High school, the crossover, wave the way pics. Music biz, the same shit, gave away hits. So mine, get it together or forget it forever. When I go at you hard, I can get it through leather. You act like Jigga can, get it whoever. Talking, you got a man. Okay, my and that's high school, making me chase you around for months. Having a fear, act like
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is the type of video you guys love, just let me know in the comment section and I will do more of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this video interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and share my videos. Until the next one, see you guys very soon. Okay, bye.